Hi, Ken here from Ultralight Camera Solutions, and this video will be Cinema Arm Kits Part 2. So this will go over more of the arms that we have that have different mounting brackets made for different monitors that you can get. So each kit comes in 4 different ways. All the kits will originate with an 80 1/4-20 on one end. The other end will change from either a 80 1/4-20 to a 80 38/16, the AC SHD for the small HD monitor, or the ACMB for a larger monitor such as this. So you can get either the short version, it's just the 2 ends and a clamp. You can also get it in a single 5-inch arm. So this would be like the ACMB at the end and the 1/4-20. You can get the same kit in 2 5-inch arms. You could get it in a single 8-inch arm, and it's got the 1/4-20 at the beginning, and this one just has the AC SHD to show you how it would be. And you can get the same kit with double arms. So depending upon the reach that you need to do, what kind of monitor you have, or if it's something other than a monitor, what do you want to mount? There's plenty of different options. You can find all of them on the website. I won't try to go over all the part numbers because I'm just going to get tongue twisted. And if you have any questions on anything, feel free to give us a call, give us an email, and check out the kits on our brand new website, www.ulcs.com. Happy filming and have an excellent day.